Did you know that by the age of 80, you could lose up to 50% of your muscle mass? This condition is called sarcopenia, and it's one of the main reasons older adults lose independence. But here's the surprising part. Some people in their 70s and even 80s remain strong, active, and fully independent. So what's their secret? Recent research shows that muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right habits, you can maintain strength, mobility, and energy well into old age. In this video, you'll discover 7 scientifically proven habits that can help slow down or even reverse age-related muscle loss. Before we continue, like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Now let's get into the first habit. Number 1, progressive resistance training, most important. If you only remember one thing from this video, make it this. Strength training is the most powerful anti-aging tool, but not just any training, progressive overload. That means gradually increasing resistance, challenging your muscles to near fatigue, tracking progress over time. Research shows even 2 sessions per week can significantly increase muscle mass and strength in older adults. Focus on squats, push movements, pull movements, and most importantly, control the lowering phase, eccentric movement. Number 2, protein timing matters. It's not just how much protein you eat, it's when you eat it. As you age, your body becomes less efficient at using protein. This is called anabolic resistance. Solution: spread protein intake throughout the day. Aim for 25 to 30 grams per meal instead of eating most protein at dinner. Do this: balanced protein across breakfast, lunch, and dinner. This alone improves muscle synthesis by up to 25%. Number 3, vitamin D optimization. Over 80% of older adults have low vitamin D levels, but vitamin D is not just for bones. It directly affects muscle strength, balance, and coordination. Low levels means higher fall risk. Target range: around 40 nanograms per milliliter. Sources: sunlight, 15 to 20 minutes daily. Fatty fish. Supplementation if needed. Number 4, reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation quietly destroys muscle over time. This process is called inflammaging. It accelerates muscle breakdown, blocks muscle repair. Key habits to reduce it: quality sleep, gut health, fiber and fermented foods, anti-inflammatory foods, omega-3s, olive oil, berries, and green tea. Number 5, key micronutrients often ignored. Muscle health isn't just about protein. Critical nutrients include magnesium, vitamin B12, zinc, and selenium. Magnesium is essential for muscle function. Vitamin B12 is critical for nerve health and energy. Zinc and selenium play a key role in recovery. Also, creatine is highly effective even for older adults. Daily dose 3 to 5 grams. It helps increase strength, improve energy production, and support cognitive function. But there are a few things you need to be careful about. Do not take high doses blindly. More is not better. Too much zinc can disrupt mineral balance. Too much vitamin D can cause calcium issues. If you have kidney problems or take regular medication, talk to a doctor first. Number 6, maintain neuromuscular connections. Muscles don't just weaken. The connection between your brain and muscles declines. This reduces strength, coordination, and reaction speed. To maintain this connection, you need coordination-based movement. Dancing, table tennis, tai chi. These improve reflexes, balance, and muscle activation. You can also use breathing techniques. Slow, controlled breathing can stimulate the nervous system and improve neural activation. Number 7, hormetic stress, underrated secret. One of the most powerful habits, controlled stress exposure. This includes cold showers, 30 to 60 seconds, sauna use, intermittent fasting. These trigger mitochondrial growth, cellular repair, autophagy, and longevity pathways. Important: stress must be short and controlled, not excessive. Muscle loss is not your destiny. With the right habits, you can stay strong, independent, and active, even into your 80s and beyond. Start with just one habit today, then build from there. If you found this helpful, like the video. Subscribe for more science-based health tips and comment below. Which habit surprised you the most? See you in the next video. Stay healthy.